Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have this Kaywoodie high bowl, and it needs a little work. So let's turn around to the workbench and get started. All right, let's take a look. Oxidation's pretty bad on the stem. The bowl, the stummel, looks really nice on the outside. Not a whole lot of dings on the outside of the stummel. Got quite a bit of carbon cake in the pipe, but the top rim is beat up pretty bad. So I'm going to top the bowl and see if we can't match up this stain on here, but we'll just have to see. May end up having to sand the whole thing down. Who knows? This is a screw-in tenon. Let's see if we can see any light. I barely, I guess you can see it right there. Barely see some light. Yeah, I got some tobacco or something hanging down in there, so we'll get all that cleaned out. So let's get started. Okay, the stem is soaking in the deoxidizer, and I'm gonna just go ahead and ream out this bowl, and y'all have seen me do that plenty enough time, so let me just get started on this, and then I'll catch back with you when I'm done. Well, that looks quite a bit better. No surprises, so that's a good thing. All right, next I'm going to do a general cleaning on the outside of the stummel, and then we'll take a look at this rim. All right, we'll use the before and after briar cleaner. It's really good stuff. I guess y'all notice how I use it in every single video. It just works really well. All right, we'll give that 20 minutes. Well, typically I'm supposed to let this soak for about 20 minutes. It only went 5 minutes. And then scrub it for about 3 minutes. And I only scrubbed it for about a minute. But just about got all the carbon off the top, but I just figured the rest of the pipe wasn't that dirty, and so it just needed a light cleaning, and so I went ahead and did that. So now we'll top the bowl. 320. Let's see, I think we're all right. It won't take a whole lot, but it's take a little bit. A little darker back here on this back, and that's where most of that carbon was. So may not be able to get all that out. I believe I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to use not my golf ball, but my other smaller ball to put a little bevel and clean up this edge is a little ragged. I believe that'll fit nicely. I'll just take a small piece of sandpaper and put that in there and turn it around a little bit. I believe that'll do. Well, here's the plan. We'll see how well it works. I'm going to freshen up the whole pipe because I had to come down on this rim a little bit. I think I got it all. It was a little ragged, so I rolled it just slightly. So I'm going to refresh all the stain using a light tan, and then I'm going to do the rim in regular tan and see what we can come up with. Well, I guess y'all know what this means. I just could not get happy with the difference in the rim and the rest of the body of the pipe. So we're going to sand her down. Sometimes that works out pretty well, and other times you end up doing what I'm doing right here. I could not get the rim to take enough yellow. But anyway, the rest of the body, you rub alcohol on the stummel to kind of see where you're at with the finish, and it just wouldn't match up. That's okay. The nomenclature is really nice on this, so that shouldn't be a problem. I can sand over it without any concerns. All right, I'll be back once I'm done sanding. British tan this time. If at first you don't succeed, try again, and that's what we're doing. I like this British tan quite a bit. It's just got a little touch of red in it. All right, we'll let that dry and we'll buff it up. All right, let's get the stem out. Now, to clean these, I use this before and after extra strength deoxidizer. You can see the web page there, website there. Works great. This stem's been in almost 24 hours. Does a great job. All right, let me get it wiped off and we'll take a look at it. Well, the deoxidizer just does a great job, and I'll put it on the buffing wheel and it'll look great. Here's the finished pipe. The stem turned out nice and black after coming out of the oxidation cleaner. I think the briar is rather pretty on this little pipe. Turned out really nice. Got a good match. Well, I sanded the whole thing, but rim now looks really good. And they call it a high bowl. I'd almost want to call it a pickaxe, but I guess it's a high bowl. But anyway, I appreciate you sharing your time with me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.